Okay, so today we are just going to demonstrate what you will see when you put your own recipe into the app. So if we go into on the app, you've got this little icon here. This is where you can create your own recipes. So I've popped in a recipe here, fresh rice noodles. So if I want to make that recipe, I just go into my recipe. At this stage, you will only see on the phone, not on the unit. Now again, one thing to be sure, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on to on position on both the unit and the app. So once you've seen your recipe, and you can have a look at the steps there that I've put in, if you hit make, the instructions and the next steps will come up on the app only on your phone. When you start your process, so this first step doesn't require any movement of the machine, so we'll go along to the next one, and you can see that it is now preset the speed to speed 9 and the time to 2 minutes. Now you will not see the instructions, they will only be seen on the app, but now the unit is going to do whatever the app tells it. So if we pressed start here on the app, the unit would start. I'm not going to do that as I don't have anything in there at this stage. So once it's done step 1, you will move it along to the second step, and again it still has the instructions tell us that we want 1 minute at speed 9, so speed 9 is still there and the time is 1 minute. So again you would press start and the unit would do what the app is telling it to do. Once that is completed, go to the next step. And again, you see that the temperature has been set in place to 120 with speed 3 and for 10 minutes. So that's what you will see when you are running your own recipes from the app to the unit. It will only put the settings in place, but you will not see the instructions or any information about the recipe. Now we can clear and go home. Now, if you were going to select a recipe out of the app itself, let's say we're going to make the appleberry custard crumble, which I'll do this evening. And as you can see there, as I've gone into the recipe, it doesn't change the panel at this point on the unit. But once I click make, it comes up with the instructions and the settings on both, and they both are in sync. So hopefully that helps understand what you will see on the unit and what you will see on the app. And you can just clear and go back, and it's as easy as that.